Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to change Instagram story from close friends to all. First, you need to go to your Instagram application. Here, go to your profile. Tap on menu on your top right. Now select the option of close friends. Here you can select the people that you want as your close friend. Tap on done to proceed further. Now go back and add a new story. Select the picture or video from your gallery. Now here, instead of clicking the option of close friends, tap on your story from bottom left. If you tap on close friends, only your selected friends will be able to see your story. So simply don't select this option to share your story with everyone. Tap the right arrow icon. Here, tap on Share. Then, by tapping Continue, your story will be posted. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.